In this video, I will show you step by step on how you can connect your Facebook pixel to your Shopify store. So first of all, you need to simply head over to business.facebook.com, simply search for it and make sure to sign up with your account. You can log in with Facebook or log in with Instagram, and once you have signed up for business account, you will going to land on this particular page where you need to simply start by heading over to your settings and then make sure to click on this add account, because first of all we need to have a add account in Facebook Business Manager. So simply click on add and then you just need to click on the create a new ad account and follow the on-screen instructions. I have already created one. This is how it is going to look like. Now the next step will going to be heading over to data sources and then click on data sets. Now once you are in the data sets, again you need to create a new data set. You can name it whatever you want to go with. So I will simply type it just like so and then click on create. Now once you have created a new data set, the next step will going to be connecting it to our Shopify store. So simply click on it and then you just need to click on the three dots and click on open in events manager. Now once you are on this page, you need to look for the option of set up meta pixel. So simply click on it and then click on check for partner, and we need to search for Shopify store. So simply click on it, and the next step is you need to make sure to click on go to Shopify, and then this is going to take you directly to the Shopify app store where you can install the Facebook and Instagram app. So simply click on the install if you are satisfied with the permissions, and then you need to click on the connect account. Make sure to connect the account that you have used for the Meta Business Suite. After that, you just need to select your business portfolio. You can see the business portfolio by clicking on it, and you will going to see all of your business portfolios that you have created. So make sure to select that business portfolio that you are currently using for the business manager account. And the next step is you need to choose the preferences. Make sure to select the maximum, as it will allow get the maximum data. Then click on save, and the next step is you need to select the data sharing account. So simply select the data set that you have created just now, click on agree and then click on submit for review. Now this is going to take few seconds. By the time it is loading, you can go back and then click on next, and then you need to enter the Shopify URL. So you need to click on the online store and copy your URL of your website, and then make sure to paste it. Click on send test traffic, and now you can simply click anywhere on your website just to test whether the metapixels are working correctly or not. Then you can go back, and this is going to take few seconds. And as you can see, we have successfully activated our pixel to our Shopify store. Then click on next and simply confirm it, and now simply click on the finish, and we have successfully connected our Facebook pixel to our Shopify store.